Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Beauty Babe. Today we're going back to basics with our Skincare 101 Beginner's Guide to Beautiful and Healthy Skin. Skincare is the foundation of any beauty routine. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher, we've got you covered with everything you need to know. Let's start with the essentials. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. A simple routine can work wonders for your skin's health and appearance. So, step 1. Cleanse your skin to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Choose a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin using circular motions, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Tone your skin to balance its pH levels and prepare it for the next steps of your skincare routine. Apply toner to your skin using a cotton pad or your fingertips, focusing on areas prone to excess oil or dryness. Step 3. Moisturize to hydrate and nourish your skin, locking in moisture and keeping it soft and supple. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether it's lightweight for oily skin or rich and creamy for dry skin. Step 4. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays with sunscreen. Apply sunscreen generously to all exposed areas of your skin, including your face, neck, and any other areas not covered by clothing. And there you have it, our beginner's guide to beautiful and healthy skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Find products that work for your skin type and stick to a routine that you can maintain daily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tutorials. Comment down below if you have any video suggestions, and check out the cute, simple skincare infographic in the description. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.